Welcome to the celebration video. In this video, I won't be explaining anything, I'll just give you a really small overview and I'll give you the chance to win a limited edition TMS book. As you might already have seen on our social media or our website, or you just read the title of this video, TMS Software celebrates its 20th anniversary. And to make sure that everyone can celebrate with us, we have a special offer. If you buy a new product or you renew your current license before the 28th of October, we'll add 20% of updates and support. This means that you'll receive our services for 1 year and an additional 73 days. In all these years, we've created a lot of products and we still have 60 different products now. But it all started before the year 2000 with the TMS component pack. For those really new here, this is the old name for the TMS VCL UI pack, from a moment before there was anything else than VCL. Let's warp back to that year and have a look at our TMS website. As you can see, nobody was talking about CSS, and the changing footer was a must-have. Even the save button still meant that you could actually save it on a floppy disk. On this component packs page here are 46 different components. The VCL UI pack now has over 600 controls, so this means that we've added almost 28 components per year. One of our core visions is to create easy to use components that keep up with technological developments in this world, so some other products were born in those 20 years as well. As I already mentioned, we started in 2000 with the VCL, and in 2002 IntroWeb joined the TMS family. Then we had ASP.NET support in 2004 and in 2006 Silverlight, but the next big step was in 2011 with the release of the FireMonkey components. These planted the seed for the following huge step in the TMS toolbox, which were the FNC components that were released in 2016. This innovation is still growing really fast as we now have 7 different FNC products, with the latest being TMS FNC Maps. And with these TMS FNC Maps, we have a present for you. You can win 10 of these special limited editions hands-on with Delphi FNC Map books. These have a special cover and are fully colorized. Only 20 of these were made. You can win one of those by leaving a comment on our social media or on the blog post. But I have the privilege to give one away to any of you guys as well. Let us know in the comments any experience that you have with TMS software. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel and we'll pick a random winner. Now let's get on with our timeline as we still have 2 major milestones left. And these come faster than the previous 5 years. Only 2 years later, in 2018, TMS Web Core was released. Now your application can be used almost everywhere you want. And this year, we had the chance to make TMS Web Core for Visual Studio Code available to you. We are working very hard to make all of your beloved products better with every update, and we'll keep on researching new technologies. Thank you to be a part of our 20th anniversary, and let's hope that we're still connected in another 20 years. Make sure to subscribe and comment if you want to win one of our limited edition books. Cheers!